So our goals as doctors are to do everything we can with each patient we come across to help someone live not only for as long as they possibly can, but for as well as they can for as long as possible. And that takes a lot of planning. That takes a lot of foresight and working with people and developing a dedicated plan. But unfortunately, we don't have time in the current healthcare system we live in to spend 3 hours with the patient going over all the really important, crucial topics that matter if we want to give ourselves the best chance of living as well as possible for as long as possible.
Yeah, and totally. And if you're thinking you're needing a little bit of inspiration to understand why this is important, Scotty and I always encourage our patients to think about, what is your dream life? What are the activities that you want to be doing now that you can't do? And what are the activities you want to be doing like when you're 65, 75, 85? And then we want to educate you on what we believe are kind of the core concepts in health that you can work on and we can work on with you to help achieve those goals.
Absolutely. And I know it sounds corny, it sounds cheesy, but it is really true. We get one shot at this life. And there is so much power that we have if we grab the bull by the horns and take control of our health to giving ourselves the best chance of living really our dream life. And that takes a lot of things to happen, but you can't live your dream life without having your health, so we want to help people and educate people, and these topics that may seem boring, they become very, very important when we think of it in the context of, I want you to live your dream life. So I hope everyone here will kind of keep an eye out for our social media accounts over the next coming weeks. We will be releasing some videos on the really core components to health that we need to take control of if we want to give ourselves the best chance of not only living for as long as possible, but living for as well as we can for as long as possible.